Welcome back to FreshCo Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. A Parisian apartment wrapped in moody florals, a design story. Step into a world where classic Parisian elegance meets a distinctly modern and dramatic soul. This apartment concept is defined by its captivating use of navy and cream moody floral wallpaper, which sets a rich and intimate tone throughout. Imagine the timeless charm of Haussmannian architecture. Tall windows, herringbone floors, and intricate moldings, serving as the perfect canvas for this deeper, more expressive aesthetic. The design masterfully balances dark, romantic hues with creamy neutrals to create spaces that feel both cozy and profoundly sophisticated. It's a celebration of contrast where shadow and light, pattern and plain, old and new, beautifully coexist. This is not just a home, it's a curated experience of atmospheric Parisian living. The journey begins even before stepping inside, with a classic limestone facade adorned with wrought iron balconies. On a balcony or at a window box, a glimpse of the interior theme is hinted at with lush green ivy and deep navy hydrangeas. This subtle connection between the exterior and interior palette creates a seamless transition from the Parisian street. It sets a romantic, anticipatory mood for the design drama that unfolds within the apartment's walls. The entryway makes an immediate statement, enveloping visitors in a dramatic, navy and cream floral wallpaper. A sleek, gilded console table and an ornate, distressed mirror play against the dark, patterned walls, creating a perfect balance. This compact space feels intentionally intimate and sets a powerful first impression. It confidently announces the apartment's sophisticated and moody character from the very first moment. In the living room, the Moody floral wallpaper serves as a breathtaking backdrop for plush, cream-colored seating and dark, polished wood furniture. Rich, textural layers are added through a navy velvet sofa, silk cushions, and a thick cream wool rug underfoot. The grandeur of the original marble fireplace and ornate ceiling moldings is heightened against the dramatic walls. This room becomes the heart of the home, a deeply comfortable and inviting space for evening conversation. The bedroom is transformed into a serene yet opulent sanctuary, with the same navy and cream floral motif. Sumptuous bedding in crisp white and creamy linens provides a soft, breathable counterpoint to the enveloping walls. Gentle ambient lighting from crystal sconces and a small chandelier casts a warm, inviting glow across the intricate patterns. This careful curation ensures the room feels restful rather than overwhelming, perfect for a tranquil retreat. Dramatic and intimate, the dining room features wallpaper that makes the space feel cozy and enclosed, ideal for long conversational dinners. A substantial wooden table and upholstered chairs in a neutral fabric keep the focus on the beautiful walls and the gathering of people. Overhead, a statement-making brass chandelier reflects light, adding sparkle and preventing the navy tones from feeling too heavy. The result is an exceptionally elegant and inviting atmosphere for entertaining. The kitchen offers a modern twist, using the floral pattern as a feature on a single wall or inside open cabinetry. Navy lower cabinets are paired with creamy, marble-look countertops and classic white subway tiles for a fresh, balanced feel. Brass hardware and fixtures introduce a touch of warmth and refinement against the cool, dark tones. This approach maintains the overall theme while ensuring the kitchen remains a bright, functional, and uplifting space. In the bathroom, the Moody floral wallpaper creates a surprisingly luxurious and spa-like environment, defying expectations for such a utilitarian space. A freestanding white bathtub or a vanity with a marble top provides a clean, solid anchor against the expressive walls. Gleaming chrome fixtures and simple, framed mirrors ensure the room retains a sense of lightness and clarity. This final space proves that drama and relaxation can coexist beautifully, concluding the home's design narrative with a sophisticated flourish.